Welcome back to the Jacked Racing YouTube channel. Welcome back to the shop. We're getting ready for our fall/winter season coming up. We got a lot of awesome races in the next couple weeks and months here, and we need to do our homework. We're going to get this thing running better. We're going to get running closer to the front, and it's all going to start today. So we got a lot of things we're going to do. We're going to be working on a rear gear for the quarter-mile track since we have a lot of those races coming up. We've got some carburetor work that we're doing. We're going to do some work on the fuel system. We got some names to put on the back from some giveaway winners, which hit the subscribe button real quick. We're going to do a big giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. We're so close. We're going to be giving away hats, shirts, stickers, croc charms, all sorts of prizes. It's going to be the biggest giveaway we've done yet. We really appreciate the support. Click that button to make sure you don't miss any of our fall season. Anyways, that's the last I'm going to talk about that for now. But yeah, we're going to get right into this thing. We're going to come over here. We've got a box full of parts that we're going to put on. We've got this gear here. We're going to take this apart and we're going to put a different gear together. If you remember a couple months ago, we tried putting a gear together and something was wrong with it. We're not quite sure, but it did not run right at all when it was in there. So we're going to take that apart, see what's going on. We suspect it might be the housing that was damaged, but we'll take a look. We'll see, and we'll get it all put back together. So let's start taking some stuff apart, putting some stuff back together. We're gonna have to get Dad on the FaceTime here since he's in Colorado. He'll be back for our next couple of races, so we'll get to see him again soon. But for now, it's just me, so we're gonna do some virtual garage time, and we're gonna get some work done. Hopefully get this thing running better. I do have one big update. It's not so great for the track, but it is very good for us. So as you guys know, Hurricane Ian came through, broke a lot of stuff here in Florida. It's been rough. You know, some places are still going through a lot. We're doing pretty okay here. We're still kind of trying to clean up a little bit, but everything's all good for us. But the bad news is the track, New Smyrna Speedway, was damaged pretty badly by the hurricane, and they unfortunately had to cancel their point season. We're still going to run the Governor's Cup there in mid-November, but the point season is over. That's why we haven't raced for a while. We had the truck all set up to run there, and the hurricane changed that plan. But here's the good news. We got 5th in points. Not bad for our first try. I think there was a total of like 24 trucks or something like that, and we were able to come in 5th. So there you go. Even though we didn't really win anything, consistency. We were there every week and we gave it our best shot. We at least got the truck on the track and it paid off. I'll take 5th in points absolutely for sure in our first try there. That is awesome. Yeah, we're very, very happy with that. So it's been fun. We're going to get better at New Smyrna Speedway. It's our favorite track to race at, but we're going to get ready for the quarter miles now because I got a lot of learning to do. I went to Auburndale last week, if you saw the Crown Vic video I made, and I think I learned a lot driving style-wise. So if we can get this gear tuned up and get this thing running a little better motor-wise, I can get myself together. I can fix the loosen up behind the wheel. I think we're going to be on to something here. Always love getting parts in the mail. Here's what we got. We got some fuel line stuff. We got a new fuel log here. The one we have on there is pretty small, so we went ahead and got a nicer, more race-appropriate one. It's got a lot bigger pipe, maybe to let some fuel flow better, and we got a better attachment to attach onto that fuel line because we didn't like the way it was set up. And we've also got shock mounts. We learned in the last race that our shocks in the front were bottoming out, so we're going to get some new shock mounts in here, raise those things up, and hopefully get a little more suspension travel in the front and let those shocks work as well as they're supposed to. Also, once we get that nice new rear gear put together, we're going to give it some good stuff here to spin around, and we've got some Amsoil 100% synthetic gear oil here, thanks to our friends over at SoCal Synthetic Oil. Check them out, all your Amsoil needs. I'm going to put a link down in the description. If you need anything Amsoil, check them out. They've been awesome to us. We really appreciate them, and yeah, definitely check them out. it might be almost the middle end of October here, but it's still hot in Florida. I'm still sweating pretty good working out here, but I've got a pretty good amount of work done for today. I've got these two pumpkins here pulled apart. Basically what we're going to do is take this ring and pinion gear and put it into that case. We know that case is good. That's the one we've been using all year, and that is the new gear ratio that we want to try and run at the quarter miles to give us a little more corner exit speed. So we're going to get that put back together. I don't have enough time to do it all today. Dad's going to be here soon. We're going to tag team all this stuff and get it knocked out. But for now, I've got that in a good spot to get it ready. I might need another part to finish this carburetor thing. We might have gotten the wrong size, so unfortunately I can't all the way finish that, but that's going to be a good upgrade. I think we can do. I think it's a little safer too. The other line was just held on by a zip tie, and that's going to be a better metal fitting. So you can never be too careful with the fuel system. We don't want anything going wrong there. The last fun thing we're going to do here today is get the rest of our names that we have to put on the truck here. Our giveaway winners from the last giveaway. Your names are going on the truck for the rest of the year. Like I said, we're doing another one, 1,000 subscribers. We're going to be putting more names on here. If you missed that one and you want your chance to get your name on here, subscribe. Make sure you keep an eye out for that giveaway. Help us get to 1,000 as fast as we can. Share it with your friends, and we'll give you a shot to get your name on the list here. Well, there we have it. The next round of names is on the truck. Like I said, if you want your name on the list, keep an eye out for that giveaway. You'll have a shot very soon. Alrighty, that's going to wrap it up for now until we can get some more parts and some more time. We will have this thing back together in 2 weeks for Citrus County Speedway. Halloween weekend, it's going to be a ton of fun. If you're in the central Florida area, make sure you come on out. We're going to be doing a big on-track trick-or-treat thing. We're going to have candy. We're going to have all our hats and shirts and everything with us. Come say hi, hang out. It's going to be an awesome time. Hopefully we're going to do a lot better than we did last time we raced there when we locked the steering box up in practice. That's not going to happen again, but I'm looking forward to getting back out there. That's a fun little track. It's going to be fun to get back on a small track and really test myself, and hopefully I'm going to learn a lot and grow a lot as a driver. But until then, keep an eye out. We'll be posting any more updates that we do in the next week or two to get ready to go. And yeah, if you are interested in one of our hats or shirts, link is down in the bio to our web store. Anything you get really helps support the small team that we are, and we really appreciate all of it. So subscribe to the channel. Make sure you enter that giveaway. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and a subscribe. We'll see you next time.